In the color by number lab, you'll run reactions in a beaker, but they'll be a little different than you're used to because you'll have 3 reactants: oxalic acid, sulfuric acid, and potassium permanganate. 3 reactants. In the color by number lab, one of the first things you do is make a solution. Oxalic acid is what you're dissolving. Any solution has 2 components. The substance you're dissolving is called the solute, usually a solid, and the substance you're dissolving it in, usually a liquid, called the solvent. In this case, the solvent is water. The solute is oxalic acid. The ratio between the solute and solvent determines the concentration of the solution. If I dissolve this oxalic acid in a small volume of water, it will be very concentrated. If instead I dissolve that same oxalic acid in a large volume of water, it will be dilute. The concentration is normally expressed in molarity, moles of solute per liter of solution. The buffet table provides sulfuric acid and potassium permanganate solution. The permanganate is a dark purple color. It looks a bit like pomegranate juice, so that's a way of remembering the name. Permanganate looks like pomegranate juice. Concentrations are very important when running chemical reactions. In this case, you start with the concentrations that I've given you, but it may be that you want a higher or lower concentration of any one of these reagents. To make a lower concentration is easy. Just use water, dilute it. You can easily turn 3 molar into 2 molar, or 1 molar, or 1.5 molar, just by adding water. To do the opposite is difficult. You really can't turn this 3 molar into 6 molar sulfuric acid. So for that, you just get a different bottle. I'll be able to provide you with higher concentrations if you desire. For example, this is a 6 molar sulfuric acid bottle. So just ask. It's also possible that you will desire a chemical that you weren't originally given. And I have lots of choices. So if there's something that you think you need or want, ask me, and if I have it and it is safe to use, I will let you use it. I've placed a waste beaker on the buffet table. Don't throw out your solutions too soon. There may be valuable evidence, valuable clues hidden in this beaker, but when you are ready to dispose of it, don't lose your bean, but pour your waste in the beaker.